So, Michael, we are going to find a rice pudding and Yakult. Rice pudding and Yakult. Hi, Sophia Kaylee. What is that? That's pickles. We're gonna find rice pudding and Yakult. Let's go.
Yum! I love.
Uy, yum ka dyan. Sorry. Okay. Come here, Michael. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, you like some yum. Rice pudding. We're gonna look for rice pudding. Yes. Butter. What? We're gonna look for Yakult and rice pudding. Yakult, Michael, I found it. Over there in the corner. Yeah, it's right. Rice pudding. Actually, I found rice pudding. Rice pudding.
Look at this, Mama.
Oh, that's jelly.
Yeah, I love jelly.
Everything you love, every junk food you love. Huh. I think that's the one this is the one we're looking for, Michael.
Ah, yes. I love the jelly.
Yun lang. Ibalik ko na yung dalawa. I found it! Yakult! Look at that.
Oh, yeah. I love Yakult.
Oh, put it. Oh, you're not gonna drink it yet, okay? Oh, get down, get down.
Yeah, yeah,
Uy.
yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, get down na. Uy, put it back. Tasty ka dyan. Ito lang kinggol ni mo.
I want to buy some dirt.
Hoy! Tasty ka dyan.
I want some dirt. Mama, I want to buy some dirt.
What's jerks?
Dirt, Mama, I want to buy some dirt. How to buy?
Okay, let's go for the baby stuff.
How to buy a dirt, Mama?
Oh, to the right. Let's go
Mom,
to the
that's
right.
all the empty bowls, Mama.
Yeah, $1 per barrel.
$1 for bowls?
Yeah, $1 per barrel.
Mom.
We're gonna look for the baby stuff. Oh, it's over there. Let's go.
these, Mama.
Yeah, this is dog food.
Yeah, this is not baby food.
Oh no, that's dog food.
Yeah, those are not baby foods, Mama.
Oh,
They're not
no.
baby food. They're
Oh,
not
come here, to the left, anak. So here we are. All right. So what we're looking for now, Michael? Oh, this is the baby spouse, baby sister. Oh my gosh, I cannot reach it. Ah, I need to jump. 1, 2, 3. Natumba noon. Other one. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put my foot here. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Ah, I got it. Yay, got it.
You got it.
Next.
I want.
Rice crust. Strawberry flavor, Michael. Where is it? Strawberry flavor. Why?
That's all these stuff. I don't know. The baby can't have these.
No, not. That's not for baby sister.
Mom, this is not for baby sister. Look, not for baby sister.
Oh no.
It's not for baby sister.
I'm looking for the rice crust. Rice rusk, I mean. But strawberry flavor.
Strawberry flavor?
Yes, that's what we're looking for.
That is so hard.
Do you think it's so hard? Hoy, what you got in there? What did you put in there? Michael, we're not gonna get this. Kani siya ba? Mapataka lang ni siya butang cart. Lagunsa na lang. We're looking for the rice rusk. Ay, ang sorry, oy. Where is it, Michael? Wala man tayo raspberry na. Try kaya natin tong banana. Just try this banana thing. So, because we cannot find organics. We cannot find the strawberry flavor. There's no strawberry flavor in there, so we're gonna put it
What's all
in
these
our
dirt,
cart.
Mama?
Which one?
Dirty.
Yeah, that's dirty stuff. Michael, where is it?
I don't know.
There's no strawberry. Let's try this.
Strawberry flavor? I want strawberry flavor.
Yogurt melts. This is delicious too.
Mommy.
Delicious. Try it. What? Sophia really? We're shopping your food? Yeah? I'm really happy. Yes, Michael. What are you looking for?
Baby food.
Okay, let's go. Baby sister's gonna cry again.
Can't like this, Mom. Baby can't.
Okay guys, so right now we are here in the aisle of pens. Because guys, ang aming pen sa bahay ay palaging nawawala. Palagi kaming nawawala ng pen. Bakit kaya nawawala? malakas kami gumamit ng pen, guys. So kailangan kong bumili, no? Tapos, pag nakabili ako, guys, dito, itatago ko na siya. Yung walang makakaalam. Alright, Julie. Tatago ko na siya para mayroon akong sariling pen. Ito kaya. Gusto ko to. Look at that. Bold. Dito Pilot ink. Nagwayni na yung isa. Ano kaya maganda, no? Gusto ko yung doon. $3. Ito, 96 cents. Oh, may kanta dito sa Walmart. Ito kaya. Where you belong. Michael, what's the song, Michael? You know the song, Michael? Ay, ito lang. Ito na lang siguro. Longest writing. Dalawa. Fine the fine. Blue ink. Super smooth. Quick the drying. Refillable. Refillable pa siya. Ito na lang kaya ang bibilihin ko. Yan. Michael, where are you going? The cart is so full. You cannot stay in there. Get down. Oh my gosh. Oh, get down, anak. The cart is so full, anak. Get down. Or you gonna stay there? I'm gonna go. Come here. Get down, anak. So, yun na yung napili ko, no? Parang yun na yung need ko. I'm thinking to get something.
Let's go get some gummies.
What do you need, Michael? Tajong nagyaw-yaw nga to. Tara, nagyaw-yaw. Nga, ang isa diri kay nagpatid-patid pod. Sa una na niya tong kinabuhing nanay, no?